So hindi ibig sabihin, pag boring yung market, wala kayong ginagawa. Don't understand na yung word na patience, akala mo tetenga ka lang. No. Ang ibig sabihin po niyan, let me just show my screen. When you say patient, you are going to not stop, but you're going to monitor the market, the big market. You're going to monitor. So hindi ibig sabihin, patient, tumenga, na walang ginawa. You're just going to repurpose your action words, your imperatives. Re-repurpose mo, gagawin mo lang siyang monitoring of market. Makinig ka sa mga chika-chika, sa mga rumors, sa mga news, makinig ka kay coach, diba? It means that you're not going to be stagnant. You're going to monitor the market. Watch for global market indicators, economic indicators, and track changes in regulation. Number 2, no, what are you going to do if you're bored in the market? You diversify. Kapag tumetenga si Bitcoin, look for other means to grow your asset. Number 3, kapag ang market ay pangit, then you need to refine your strategy.